Where's the water coming from? It's actually what we call a pirated stream. And so this is on the surface, we call it Cave Creek. And then right above the cave there's actually a sinkhole that collapsed in and forced it into the cave. And so it's a disappearing stream that was pirated in here, and then it makes its way out the mouth of the stream.
Wow.
Or on the mouth of the cave. Which is pretty cool.
So is that how the cave actually formed, was from that water coming through here?
A little bit of both. That's part of the reason why the passages down here kind of have this rounded look to them. That's because of the way that the stream was able to erode. A little farther along, we'll see where the stream wasn't, and those are very steep, tipped angles, and you can tell that a different kind of erosion took place there, which is all of the water basically